Master Padma said, "Tsogyal, it seems that most Tibetan Dharma practitioners have surely not taken the teachings to heart. If they had, they couldn't possibly be so lazy and unconcerned. They surely haven't understood the nature of samsara. If they had, they couldn't possibly be so attached to a solid reality. They surely never contemplate these hard-to-find freedoms and riches. If they did, they wouldn't be involved in such pointless activities. They surely don't understand the law of cause and effect. If they did, they would be extremely careful to avoid evil deeds. They can't possibly see the good qualities of virtuous deeds. If they did, they would be tireless in gathering the two accumulations. They must not have any experience of the profound innate nature. If they did, they wouldn't dare to separate themselves from practice.